Bales of sorghum hay and new alfalfa sprouts greeted visitors east of Kersey at a new irrigation research facility dedicated to water efficiency. The Subsurface Irrigation Efficiency Project and Colorado State University have placed 19 test plots across more than 82 acres under the drip irrigation system developed by Israeli company Netafim, with the hopes of testing the technique's water-saving capabilities in arid climates such as Colorado.
It, in simple terms, is just putting water, instead of on the surface and letting it percolate down, putting the water at the root zone using various technologies. The technology currently utilized is one that provides for a irrigation tape installed 6 to 12 inches under the soil surface for the purposes of irrigating in the root zone, thereby avoiding some evaporation due to the traditional irrigation methods.
Currently, the theory behind this entire facility is that we want to make sure that the microirrigation can be studied on a number of different levels. So we choose a crop, we choose a water level, and then we can determine at what level those crops can actually bring an economic return to the farmer. But over the course of the years, what we're hoping is that local farmers are going to come, we're going to join in committees or groups or whatever, identify whatever crops or seeds that we'd like to test under these controlled circumstances, and then determine exactly how efficient they are and how profitable they are. And if there is a success to be made, great. If there's a failure, then we'd rather have the failure here than have the farmer fail.
One of the things that we saw a difference in is your labor cost. For flood irrigation, it took us like 2.5 hours to go out, and you had to check to make sure the water was going down on each row, and then start your tubes. Here you still have to take a little time to check everything, make sure the water is actually irrigating the ground, because you can't actually see it when it's irrigating, but it's faster and more efficient than anything else that I've done before.
This is the metering system and the valving system for each of the zones. What we're looking at here is 2 different zones. So this zone here goes this way and this one goes this way. And every single zone also has its own manual meter on it. Everything is metered electronically via our control box, but this is a way for you to confirm the results that you're getting.
The water efficiency side of it is, I think, is very much taken care of by the irrigation system that is already in place, the Netafim subsurface drip irrigation. But for us, this system was very a good opportunity because it's very easy to control. I can be in my office in Fort Collins and run the irrigation system. And then it's very easy to measure how much water is put in the ground actually, and that's a very nice tool for a research.
We want to be able to show, using this technology, that a young farmer, a young family can actually take a certain amount of acreage and a certain amount of water and make enough money using the microirrigation techniques for them to raise a family, to continue to buy red and green equipment, to continue the agricultural heritage that we have. And so, again, 30 years from now, we're hoping that this will be proven as a successful way of farming that continues to attract young people.